NDFA to DFA conversion algorithm. Input an NDFA, output an equivalent DFA. Step 1. Create a state table from the given NDFA. Step 2. Create a blank state table under the possible input alphabets for the equivalent NDFA. Step 3. Mark the start state of the NDFA by Q0, same as the NDFA. Step 4. Find out the combination of state Q0, Q1, and Qn of each possible input alphabet. Step 5. Each time we generate a new DFA state under the input alphabet columns, we have to apply step 4 again over ways to go. Step 6. Step 6. The state which contain any of the final state of the NDFA are the final states of the equivalent NDFA. Example, let us consider the NDFA shows in the figure below. This is the example of NDFA. This is start state and this is final state. This is table state and this is state 0 and state 1. Let's start with the state letter A. A with state 0. A going to B. A going to C. A going to D. A going to E. Next letter B going to C. Next letter C going to nowhere. That's right. Interstate. D going to E and E going to nowhere, as same as letter C. Interstate. State 1. Next, start with letter A. A going to D. A going to E. Next letter is B. B going to E. Next letter is C. C going to B. Next letter D going nowhere, the same as C and E. Interstate. E going nowhere, write the interstate. Using the above algorithm, We find this equivalent DFA. The state table of the DFA is shown in below. The state diagram of the DFA. Let's start with letter A. A going to A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E going to A, B, C, D, E. D, E going to letter E. B, D, E going to C, E. Letter E going to nowhere, right interstate. C, E going to nowhere, right interstate. B going to C. C going to nowhere, right interstate. Next going to state 1, letter A going to D, E. A, B, C, D, E going to B, D, E. D, E going to nowhere. State 1, letter A going to D, E. A, B, C, D, E going to B, D, E. D, E going to nowhere, right interstate. B, D, E going to letter A. Letter E going to nowhere, right interstate. Letter C, E going to B. B going to E. C going to B. This is the table state of the diagram of the DFA. That's all. Thank you.